To create a menu on Saffron, we're going to go to this drop-down menu from the home screen under Nutrition and select Menus. From here, on this toolbar at the top of the screen, we're going to select New. And it will ask you for a code and description and price list. Again, as the same with recipes, please ensure your customer account number is at the beginning of your menu code. For your price list, you have the option to select a price markup. However, if you would not like to have a price markup, please select cost. And then over on the right, you just click Create. Now, similarly to creating a recipe on Saffron, on this Costings tab on the lower half of the screen, we're going to select New on the right hand side and tab to Product Code, and this is where you enter in your recipe codes. When you enter in your product code for your recipe, it will automatically find that recipe, and you are able to tab through and add in all of your other recipes. When you have added all of your recipes to your menu, if you go to the toolbar at the top of the screen and select Save, this menu will have been saved for you. And there are 3 reports, again, which you can do on Saffron within the menu screen. These 3 main ones are a menu picking list, Consolidated, recipe with allergens, and nutrition chart menu. The first one I will show you is menu picking list, Consolidated. So at this toolbar at the top of the screen, we're going to go to the drop down section and select menu picking list, Consolidated. And again, we are going to select the report button to create this report. The menu picking list Consolidated reports create a shopping list of all ingredients used in your menu with the quantity needed and the cost of that quantity. As you can see here, these are all of the products I have used in my menu, as well as the total quantity. This means that if I have the same product in more than one recipe, it will add all of those quantities together and then tell me the cost of that quantity. The second report you can do is recipe with allergens. Now, this is the same as the recipe with allergens that you pull from your recipe. However, this will consolidate all of your recipes in your menu onto one report. So again, we will go to the drop-down menu and select recipe with allergens and report. As you can see, it has pulled all 3 of my recipes into one sheet with all of the allergen information per recipe in the same format as the recipe report. The final report you can do requires you to set a nutritional rule for your menu. This is entirely optional, but is required if you would like to pull the following report. To set a nutritional rule, you go to Nut Rule and select the downwards arrow, and here you can select a nutritional rule. For the purposes of my menu, I am going to select Gov 4 to 6 full. Once you've selected your nutritional rule, make sure you save your menu, and then we can pull the nutrition chart menu report. So from the drop down menu, you select nutrition chart menu and then report. This report will show you if your menu is hitting set nutritional targets for the target range you previously selected. As you can see, my menu fails on a lot of nutritional targets, and it meets one nutritional target. It is colour coded, red meaning you have failed, you're either over your target or you're under. Orange, you have met that target with tolerance, you're either slightly below or slightly above your target. And green means you are within the range of that target.